Hey guys, so I will be reviewing the magnetic liner and lash. I was like, all right, the magnetic lashes didn't work, maybe the liner will work. I'm excited. I did a neutral makeup look today. I put brown eyeshadow and just brown and brown on brown. If you want a tutorial on this makeup look, don't ask me. I'm not taking my makeup off on camera ever. I don't know how people do that. Okay. All right, so let's open this. So I'm gonna open this box very carefully just because who knows if I'll have to return it. I saved all my receipts. You just never know with magnetic lashes. But these are Ardell ones. The previous magnetic lashes without the liner were Kiss magnetic lashes. I'm sure both brands are trying hard. You know, sometimes I feel like bad when I put out like a bad review on a product and I'm like, oh, what if someone's like really hurt? Or I don't know, it makes me feel weird. All right, so this is it opened. It comes, oh, these lashes are actually really pretty. I like the wispies as the magnetic lash. They have 4 magnets on them. Oh my God, I'm so scared these magnets are gonna fall off. Like, you'll have no idea. They had the lashes in the package glued down with something. That is a recipe for disaster. You make very delicate magnetic lashes and then don't make me pull at them. I'm so scared. I don't want to go to Walgreens again. I have to walk 1.5 miles to Walgreens because I'm trying to save money on like Lyft. And I'm just so tired of walking to that freaking Walgreens. It takes me 40 minutes to get there. Maybe 35 if I like walk fast, I don't know. But anyway, all right, so I'm taking the lashes off. Very cool brush, awesome, love it. Okay. And the magnetic gel liner. They have it like packed. Oh, there's literally nothing in here. Look, it's like, it looks like big, and then you look at the thing and there's literally like nothing in there. Oh, Ardell. Fuck y'all, I don't feel bad for leaving any bad reviews on anything. Corporations can suck it. Like, what is this? Why would you use all of this packaging to put like a dollop of Daisy on there? I don't get it. Why? It's fine. Oh my God, sorry. I just saw, I was watching The Patriot Act with Hassan Minhaj, and it's talking about like the environmental crisis, and now I'm just like, why are you using this much packaging for nothing product? Nothing product. The magnetic liner. Oh, it's actually softer than what I thought it was gonna be. People online were saying that the other ones are really thick. I'm like scared to use more. They didn't give me that much. Let me read their directions real quick. Apply 2 coats of the magnetic gel liner along the upper lash line. Place magnetic lashes on magnetic gel liner while liner is still semi-wet and gently press down to secure. Okay, I did one eye. Let me go do the other eye because I can't do it on this freaking phone. Hold on. I put it on both of my eyelids. Whew, I'm anxious today. What is going on? Anxiety Central. I don't know what's going on, you guys. Oh my God, I put them together and now they're stuck together. I'm so mad, I'm so mad, I'm so mad, I'm so dumb, I'm so dumb, I'm so mad, I'm so mad. This is exactly what happened last time, y'all remember? Okay, whew. I'm like so scared these are gonna break off too. I don't know what semi-wet means, but I think, what's going on? I'm gonna do the right eye first then. I don't know what that one's doing. I'm gonna do the right one first because I'm right-handed. I think I made the line too thin. Put them on there. Let me just open my hair, you know, to get the full effect. Okay. Oh my God, my hair is like dirty. Okay. Oh, did they come off? It'd be funny if I sneeze and they just both like off. Cool, I kind of like it. Oh my God, I'm so anxious today. Ah, what's happening? Okay. Okay, so I went to the bathroom, looked at them. I had to apply a little bit more magnetic liner to this inner corner, this outer corner, and then a little bit on this edge, just because I think I made my line so thin because naturally I wear my like top eyeliner very thin. I don't like a thick line. So I'm gonna try to get away with trying to do it as thin as possible. And then, yeah. But yeah, so I mean, they seem to be staying on, and hopefully they keep on keeping on. Okay, so I'm gonna try to wear these all day. It's about 1 o'clock right now, so I'll wear them till 11 p.m. and I will update you guys to let you know if they stayed on. If these stay on, if they don't cause me like that much trouble, honestly, these are gonna be my go-to lashes, because I hate eyelash glue. I hate eyelash glue. I hate dealing with fake lashes because I can't do them. And so if this works, I could be a fake eyelash bitch. And I have always wanted to be that. I think fake eyelashes look amazing. So, oh my God, I really want this to work. Please, Lord. And then I'll in the description box in the next like couple of days as I wear them, I'll update you if like the magnet broke off again, like my previous video, or if they like didn't stay on, or the eyeliner slept, or whatever. I'll like update in the description box. So yeah, and then I might do some quick updates throughout the day. So I'll see you guys soon. Bye. Quick thoughts. They feel very light. They don't feel weird. Sometimes with eyelash glue, like fake eyelashes and eyelash glue, I feel like every time I blink it's like a boulder. Like, don't feel like that with these. I'm still a little nervous about the magnets falling off. Like, oh my God, please don't let the magnets fall off. But I think they look pretty good. I'm trying to like show you from all angles. This looks weird, sorry. Okay, I do want to like eventually buy like the high-end brand magnetic liner sets or whatever, magnetic eyelashes, but I don't have any money right now, so I'm hoping that this freaking just works, because it was like, I think it was $17.99 at Walgreens, which is still a lot for me, but hopefully it works. Okay, also guys, I never do a brown lip. I never do a brown lip, ever, ever, ever. I never do like a neutral, just brown eyeshadow, brown bronzer, glowy. I always do a cherry lip or a red lip. I love me a freaking maroon, red, cherry, whatever lip. And I am loving this brown so much. I just feel like, is this me now? Am I gonna be brown lips and fake eyelash girl? Oh my God, that's exciting. I'm excited. New year, new me. Just kidding, it's November. Okay, bye. Hey guys, so the lashes are still going strong. It's about 6 o'clock. I just made dinner. About 7, just want to give you guys a close-up on what they look like. Okay, so it's about 8:45, 9 p.m. and one of the lashes just came off. Like, I could feel it kind of fluttering or something. I looked in the mirror and then I like touched it and it just like came off. So I don't know if the eyeliner just like dried up or like lost its magnet juice or whatever, but I will go reapply this. Hey guys, okay, I'm so tired. So let's look at what the lashes look around 11 p.m. So this one really just, like, even though I reapplied the eyeliner, it did not like want to stay. Do you see like the ends are coming off? I don't know, it might have been just the way I applied, because this one is super like pretty strongly on there, so it's awesome. I don't know. I will still be sticking to these because I hate eyelash glue. Oh, I just hate eyelash glue. I hate when at the end of the night you pull it off and it just like, oh, I hate it. Let's see how easily these come off. Well, this one's already off, so that's off. And then this one, it's off. The magnet stayed on, and whew, feels kind of good to take them off. That was so much easier than eyelash glue, honestly. I wish this one had stayed on. I don't know if like it's just like cheaper quality eyeliner, like magnetic eyeliner, or what's happening, but that was cool. That was a fun experience. I will definitely be wearing these tomorrow.